Hi everyone. If you have a terrace, balcony, yard, or small space for gardening, and if you want to see flowers in your garden all year round, then plant this flowering plant in your garden. The scientific name of this flower is Mirabilis Jalapa. English name, Marvel-of-peru, 4 o'clock flower. These flowers bloom in the afternoon. This flowering plant are usually 2 to 3 feet tall. A lot of flowers bloom every day, and the plant blooms all year round. This flower plant is very easy to grow. This plant grows very easily in the ground, in containers, and even in small plastic bottles. It is one of the best flowering plants for balcony gardens. When the seeds dry, they fall off on their own and spread throughout the garden and propagate naturally. No special care is required for this. It can be said that this flower shows its beauty every afternoon without any care. Apart from seeds, this plant is propagated by cuttings. This flower can enhance the beauty of any garden. Apart from beauty, this flower also has many benefits. This flower is commonly used as a colorant in the food processing industry. Its color is used to color cakes and jellies. The flowers and roots of this plant are used to prepare various herbal medicines. Leaf juice is used for wound healing.